In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the cart icon on Shopify. This is really useful if you're building a catalog-only store, a portfolio, or any site where you don't want customers to see or use the shopping cart. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along inside your own Shopify dashboard. First, log into your Shopify admin. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side and find the section called Online Store. Click that. This will open up your themes area. At the top, you'll see your current theme highlighted. On the right side of that theme, look for the option that lets you edit the theme and click it. This will open the theme editor, where you can see a live preview of your store on the right and all the settings on the left. Inside the theme editor, focus on the leftmost sidebar. Near the top, you'll see a small gear icon labeled Theme Settings. Go ahead and click that. This opens a panel with different customization options for your theme. Scroll down through this panel until you find an option called Custom CSS, or something very similar. Click it, and it should reveal a large text field where you can add your own CSS code. Now, this is where you'll paste the CSS that hides the cart icon. Locate the code that's provided in the video description or the resource linked there. You can pause this video for a moment, copy that exact snippet of code, and then come back to your theme editor. In the custom CSS text field, click inside and paste the code you just copied. Make sure you don't change anything in the code unless you know exactly what you're doing. Once the code is in place, look over at the live preview on the right side of the screen. Give it a second to update. You should see that the cart icon in your header has disappeared. If it's not gone right away, double check that the code was pasted correctly and that there are no extra characters or missing symbols. When you're happy with how it looks and you've confirmed that the cart icon is no longer visible, move to the top right corner of the theme editor and click Save. This step is important because if you navigate away without saving, your changes will be lost and the cart icon will come back. And that's it. You've successfully removed the cart icon from your Shopify store using custom CSS.